Welcome to my vlog! Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I am here now in Dubai Metro train. I'm going for my medical for the renewal of my visa. Train drives into a tunnel. The Dubai Metro is a driverless, fully automated metro network.
Doors closing.
So this is the view through the front window of the metro train. There is a saying that there is a light at the end of every tunnel.
The next station is Al Ras. المحطة القادمة هي الرأس. The next station is Al Ras.
There is no light yet, but oh, there's another metro train in the tunnel. So this is the next stop for another platform. It's so beautiful and it's so clean. And here's the light after the tunnel. Welcome to life.
المحطة القادمة هي أبو بكر الصديق. The next station is أبو بكر الصديق.
Now it's my stop. I have to go down now. See you later, guys. Hi. Wow, today is a beautiful day and look at the trees. Seeing the trees makes me really happy. That is a mosque. That is where the Muslim people pray, especially Fridays. Hi guys, I'm done with my medical for the renewal of my visa. See, they took some blood for me. Be safe, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe.